So today I'm making a money box and I thought might as well film it, show you guys how it's done. Don't forget to put a mask on when you're cutting cedar, otherwise you'll get cedar poisoning and you might die. I bet. Okay, so here we go. Final product. It's not perfect, but it works. Do a little demonstration here. Take your cash monies. Got a $1 bill, feeling very generous today. Pop it in. Very nice. Just pull this thing up. And get your money. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.